friends, we are going to start unboxing of my new card again, and this is something very different, very unusual, something very unique cards are there. And these cards are making magic oracle. So are you excited? And I'm very excited right now because these are very unique cards. And when I first watched these cards, and I was so mesmerized with these, so I instantly ordered and I received. And today we are doing unboxing in front of you guys. Oh wow! Beautiful box. How it is going? Yes, this is magnetic one, and this something black and golden. So here also they use golden, and all the things are golden and black. Full cards are. This is the booklet. And these cards are by Priestess Moon, and we are going to look this booklet later on. I'll show you cards. Wow, beautiful round cards. I like unusual things, unusual decks, something unusual, not regular one, just like a square or rectangle decks and something like that. I like unusual things, so we are going to take it out. These are the cards. Matty, pretty, black and gold. So the first card is wishes come true. What I am going to tell you about these cards, these are the unusual. Why it is unusual? Because if you see the figure over here, it's not a regular oracle or tarot cards. It's something mix of oracle and sigil. If you know about sigil is some artwork that you make some symbols to attract different things. So by symbols, so it is the mix of sigil and oracle. So these are really beautiful if you see. So the sigil over here told you that wishes come true, and the message is here, oracle, rapid achievement of your dreams and wishes. This is the rapid achievement of your dreams and wishes. Wow. Tree of life. This is happy, love, prosperity. This is a sigil for prosperity. So this is a symbol. The sigil you can make also your own sigil, your own way of making sigils. Sigils are the very effective and very personal. You can make it very personal also. You can use your personal sigil to attract the things what you want, manifest the things what you want, and they are very powerful. So this is the healing card. This is the self-confidence, breaking bad habits, successful career, and then since spirit, sun. Simple, very simple artwork for the sun. And if you see, the numbers are also there. So every number represents, every symbol represents something. And then the golden energy of the sun brings fame and fortune. That we know that sun brings fame and fortune. And the star and philosopher strong and abracadabra with wings. Wow, abracadabra with wings. Beautiful. This is goddess one. And see, time to shine. It's time to shine, guys. It's time to shine for you and for me both. It's our insight. It's a very beautiful artwork. Eye. You can see the eye in the center. That is insight. Let's give you insights. and the Felix felicitations, and the dragonfly finally. So 36 cards are here, and they are combination of sizzle and oracle. Now we'll see what the book is going to, this magic black book. They have a different segments for these symbols and meanings. The segments are medieval talisman symbol and Asian symbols, where alchemical glyphs and priestess moon sigils. So why these symbols are different? What medieval talisman symbol is saying: wishes come true, tree of life, happy love. These are all these the symbols are the more than 500 years old, and Asian symbols are 2000 to 5000 years old, and alchemical glyphs are from Egyptian times, and the priestess moon symbol, that is sigils that created by the owner. And you can see how to use card, how to manifest card, everything is given over here. And you can see the sigils over here, and in the book in the corner they made some these sigils, imprint this, very it's combined the book and the artwork on the cards, so it's look very pretty. If you see, the background is also full of different artwork, different write work, and sigils and other things. Say here also background, so it's really very combinations are there. Here they told you how to do the layouts, different layouts, something different one. See, here they describe in very detail. If you see, the wishes come true is a symbol, it's a medieval symbol, so it is, they give the symbol history also, then deviation, and then how to manifest this card. By this card, how you can manifest the things. So they told you the how to manifest, what to do. Okay, so the three category that you will got to know about this symbol. There's a history of this symbol, and what is the meaning of this symbol, and if this card come to in your reading, what's the meaning of it, and if you want to manifest this thing, if you manifest your card, how to manifest it. It's really beautiful, really beautiful. So not only you can check the readings, not only you can get the cards and check the readings and what is come to in your readings and what is come to in your life, but if you want to manifest, there is a technique, proper technique, where you can manifest these cards also. So you don't just a very simple thing, simple procedure is there, not a big high-fi procedure. It's a very simple procedure is given. So it is really beautiful if you manifest also. So people don't know if a card come in your reading, and if you just take a photograph or just draw it in the paper and pen, and then you can go home and you can manifest your dreams can come true very easily. This is the beauty of these cards. This is the beauty of this card. They are looking actually very beautiful, something unusual, something different, and you can manifest with these cards. This is the beauty. So, do you like the unboxing of these sizzle magic? Do you want readings? If you want reading from these cards, please message me, please comment in the comment section, and if you are new over here, like, subscribe and share my videos. It's a very simple thing, and don't forget to click the bell icon, so you next video, whenever the next video come, you will get the instant notification that my video is there, so you can see, you are not going to miss any video of mine. So give your feedback, give your reviews, and you can ask questions and what you want to see in my next videos. Lots of things to share. Talk to me, comment. Okay, thank you. Here your friend Vaishali is taking bye, taking leave from here right now till next video. So see you soon. Bye.